what's going on, guys? Today we're going to take a look at a privacy screen protector from the guys over at IMBZBK. This is not a glass screen protector, it's a regular plastic screen protector, if you will, and it's going to keep prying eyes from looking at whatever you're doing when you're out and about or even when you're at home. This is a great option for a lot of people, and I'm going to show you how to install it. Then we're going to check out how good the privacy guard actually is. Let's get into this installation video and check it out together. This is everything that comes in the box of the 2-pack privacy screen protector. Let's go ahead and go through the process. It's simple, but yet it's not, so just follow through. There's no prize for finishing within 10 or 30 seconds. Take your time with it, get that clean installation, and you'll be really happy that you spent however amount of time that it took to do this. So let's go ahead and start this process together. The first step that you guys need to do is go ahead and get the patch installation / cleaning kit and make sure that your device is clean. You want to ensure that there's no dust, no particles, nothing like that on your screen, and this will ensure that you don't get any bubbles. First, we want to use the wet wipe here. Get the sides of your phone as well of the S22 Ultra. Just ensure that everything is clean. Next, get your microfiber cleaning cloth, and again, you want to ensure that there's no dust particles on your screen here. This is going to give you the perfect installation. Next, you have this handy guide tool, so just insert that into your USB-C port, and again, just check for some dust. Next, guys, go ahead and get the screen protector. Insert the 3 slots right on the bottom there. Next, what you want to do is get your little tool here. Just rub a little bit here, just to kind of stick the screen protector there. And get your pull tab ready. As you peel back the top section, you just want to apply a little bit of pressure as you push the squeegee along with the pull tab. So you want to pull and press at the same time. This way it eliminates any air bubbles that might accumulate. Once you have the first side done, go ahead and remove this insertion tool. Next, you want to do the same thing on the bottom here, just at an even speed, the best to your ability. And I just like to rub just a little bit here, just to kind of see what's going on. And now they say just to get the microfiber cloth and just kind of rub it on the 4 corners. You want to ensure that this did stick properly. So I'm just going to do this a little bit. And then finally, you want to pull the top piece off by hand, very, very gently. And hopefully we don't have any bubbles here. So far, it looks pretty clean, guys. The installation looks to be pretty simple. Now, if you see any bubbles at the top, just use the microfiber cloth and use your finger to gently kind of push these bubbles away. Now, if you have more than 1 or 2 little bubbles, the manufacturer says within 24 hours they should go away. So don't really worry too much about that. I'm trying to see if I have any bubbles here. Looks like I did a pretty easy installation. Thanks to all these guides that they give you. Thanks to that USB-C insertion tool that really helped keep the installation process to a minimum. I just have a little bit of a bubble right at the top there, as you can see. So I'm going to let this sit about 24 hours, come back, and we're going to see what the privacy screen looks like. We're going to check all of that good stuff. But upon quick inspection, Privacy Glass seems to be doing a decent job. But we're going to come back tomorrow, guys, so I'll be right back. Here we are 24 hours later, and yes, the screen protector is case friendly, so I put it on a couple cases, no problems with that at all. And you can see on the top there, the bubbles have disappeared, so all of those little bubbles that I had, those 3 or 4 little bubbles are gone. So I'd say this is a really nice privacy screen protector. And for those of you wondering as well, Fingerprint scanner works like nobody's business, works like there's not even a screen protector on top. You might need to retrain your fingerprint after you put on the screen protector, but that's nothing new. That's something you should do with any new installation. So fingerprint scanner is super fast. Look at that, I'm basically just tapping and it's unlocking my phone. Let's try that again. Maybe a little bit too fast. Very good. So nothing is hindered when you put on this privacy screen protector, of course, other than being able to view what's on your screen. In terms of touch sensitivity, nothing is lost when you install the screen protector. It's basically like nothing's been put on your screen. And there's no problems with the S Pen. Everything works as it should. As I turn it off access, you're not able to see what's displayed on the screen. The only thing you can see though is the little cutout there for that selfie camera on the front, but that's really nothing here or there, nothing really to complain about. At least the selfie camera is unhindered. If they put a full coverage on there, you probably wouldn't get the best video quality from it. So I'm happy that they did that. Now, one thing I also want to show you guys, if you are watching something horizontally like a movie or whatnot, people are still going to be able to see what you're watching. This is a vertical privacy screen protector like most of them. They don't do it both ways. They only do it one way. But again, if you're on the train, you're on the plane, you're just walking around town, and you don't want people to see what you're doing, this is a great way to do it. As I switch the axis, you can see that you can't see it actually. Metrics and your Face ID and all that stuff that you might be worried is being sent to the cloud. Well, not with the Honor Magic 4 Pro. Honor actually included their own security chip in here that's going to keep all of your biometrics on device, local storage, not going to go anywhere, safe from hackers, safe from anyone trying to get access to it. So all of your biometrics are safe. When it comes to charge, let me tell you guys, 0 to 130 minutes is something that I've definitely gotten used to, and it puts to shame any other high-end flagship that I have right now. 0 to 130 minutes, or 0 to 50% in about 15 minutes. And the first time that I plugged this in, I couldn't believe how fast it charged. I actually had to do a double take. Even though the battery does last an entire day, I've never really killed this phone in one day. You can charge it up in 30 minutes. This is definitely going to be super fast and enjoyable to charge up. Guys, but overall, I'm super happy with the screen protector, with the privacy screen protector. So once again, if we move off access, very little visibility, basically to none. Well done to these guys. So I just wanted to show you this. If you're looking for a screen protector, you want to change it up, you want a little bit of privacy, this is definitely the way to go. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.